Hello guys, welcome. Want to generate AI art for free without needing a powerful PC? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use Stable Diffusion in Google Colab. So go to Google and search Stable Diffusion Colab Notebook. Choose a popular one like Automatic 1111 or Koya SS. Make sure it's updated and trusted by the community. You will need a Google account for this. After that, go through the notebook one cell at a time. Click the play buttons in order. These install dependencies, clone the repo, and load the web UI. This setup can take a few minutes. When the notebook says running on public URL, click the Gradio link. You'll now see a Stable Diffusion web UI all in your browser. Enter a prompt like a futuristic city skyline at night or sky night, it doesn't really matter. And then tweak steps, CFG scale and resolution. After that, you can hit generate, and then your AI art will be ready in seconds. And that's how to run Stable Diffusion on Google Colab. No setup headaches, no local GPU needed. Like and follow for more fast AI tools and walkthroughs. See you next time.